The 2023 BMW M3 Sedans is a high-performance compact sports automobile with a direct guide transmission and magnificent inline 6-cylinder BMW M TwinPower Turbo engine that can produce up to an amazing 503 horsepower and a 0 to 60 mph time of just 3.4 seconds. Convenience, compatibility, and connectivity. The brand-new technological know-how in the 2023 BMW M3 Sedans covers everything you may want to perchance need for an utterly engaged riding experience. With an iconic diagram and dynamics like in no way before, this is the most powerful M3 ever. The M3 Competition X Drive sedan comes general with the MX Drive, which facets customizable 4WD, 4WD Sport and 2WD modes for whole control. Take it to the subsequent degree with well-known M differential and adaptive M suspension for stronger agility, traction and handling. A manual transmission comes fashionable for the performance-obsessed, while the standard 8-speed M Sport transmission in the M3 competition models offers quick, particular shifting. The 3.0-liter BMW M TwinPower Turbo engine achieves peak overall performance in the Competition X Drive model. Take center stage with a frameless, vertical kidney grille, sculpted hood, and on-hand icon adaptive LED headlights with laser light. An incredible 503 horsepower output lets you speed up from 0 to 60 mph in just 3.4 seconds. Standard M compound brakes with blue, purple or black calipers supply incredible stopping power. Take it even similarly with the on-hand M carbon ceramic brakes with gold calipers for high-performance braking and a high-profile look. The well-known carbon fiber roof with aerodynamic fins lowers the core of gravity, and the popular M mirrors optimize aerodynamics. The performance-driven bumper sketch consists of an integrated diffuser, streamlined spoiler, and L-shaped LED taillights. Drive in fashion and alleviation with general M Sport seats, offering illuminated M badges and greatest lateral support. Price: $74,300 United States dollars.